Hi, this is Taylor again with Valleyscape. It's been a while since I put out a video. World's been a little crazy, but just wanted to talk today about a new installation we're doing for landscape lighting. We actually did 60 lights on one transformer, and oftentimes we see that on an installation of that size, contractors will put multiple transformers. Okay, well, we don't really like to do that. We like to keep things very simple. There's less to break, there's less to change the timing on. So what we did is we put in a 600 watt FX transformer. We put in our smart Wi-Fi switch, but the lights go to the backyard and front yard. There's no reason to separate them because what we're able to do is loop the system together. So it's just a big loop that goes around the house and it's tied back in. And so we got two runs coming out of the transformer. One goes one way, one goes the other, and they meet up out in the field. So in this way, we're actually able to keep a good level of voltage, because otherwise, if you have one straight run that ends and isn't connected together to another run, you'll have pretty bad voltage drop. Especially here, we're running about 500 feet, give or take, maybe a little bit less than that, probably in the 4s actually. But you'd have some bad voltage drop towards the end. So by looping the system together, it's a nice little trick just to stabilize the voltage and keep everything at the right level and keep everything looking good. Hope this helps you in your landscape lighting endeavors. Thanks for watching.